you know, but like a few weeks ago we reached 1,000.
What we're gonna do to celebrate is make a cake. Let's get started.
Alright, so we got here a load of
Sugar. You need to put sugar in.
sugar. As you can see, you need to wash your hands very thoroughly, otherwise you're gonna get AIDS.
Don't want that in the cake now, do you? See, that's not thorough.
Today's one. Look, thorough.
Nice and clean.
Don't forget
to preheat the oven. Just go into the living room to find a recipe book.
Found it.
See how much we need to preheat the oven at, woman.
So 125 grams of plain white flour, 125 grams of self-raising white flour, 5 milliliters of baking powder, 175 grams of soft chilled margarine. More product, get in there. 30 milliliters of milk. 175 grams of caster sugar. Did we turn the oven on?
No, you didn't.
You gotta take all this crap out your oven.
Hi ladies.
Hi.
We're going to have the oven on because we're making a pie.
No.
Rachel.
300 grams of sugar.
5 milliliters of vanilla essence. Have we done something wrong? We haven't put any eggs in. 3 eggs. Right, it might mix properly now.
You can't go on.
So you separate them out evenly between all the bowls. It looks like poo. Separate them into 3 bowls like this. I can't find the cake tins.
She can't find the cake tins. Because what we're going to do is we're going to put the cake into the cake tins and break them. What are we supposed to do? What has this world come to?
I found them.
Oh, she found them. False alarm.
It died. So what you've missed is that we have cooked the cake. So now we have to put plain film on to wait for the cakes to cool down. What are they?
Jaffa cake?
Oh, I love them. Thanks. Would you like a Jaffa cake, Lauren? I just found them. Stop it! Yes, I am well. Yes, I was it. Complicated, but I always play the because. What? It's disgusting.
Spent ages, absolutely ages baking this video.
And I hope you're enjoying it.
Yeah, it's all for you.
Except that you can't eat any.